Hi, welcome to session 2. I hope you must have understood the concept. Yesterday was your first day, so you might be feeling few activities little bit different from your daily routine. But trust me, these different activities will change the pattern of your life, your routine, and very soon you will be able to start enjoying it. We are working towards your goal of looking at least 10 years younger than your present age, that is your biological age. We have two types of age. One is chronological age. This starts from the day you born, which we cannot control, and other that we can control is our body age, biological age. So be consistent, do the daily given task, feel confident and trust your actions that you are definitely going to achieve the goal of looking young and feeling younger with high energy. Now let's talk about few of the tasks and their benefits. One of the tasks is deep breathing. Deep breath benefits are breathing deep supplies more oxygen to all your body parts including your digestive systems, thus making it work more efficiently. The increased blood flow due to the deep breathing also encourages intestinal action, which further improves your overall digestion. So breathing is definitely vital in order to increase your oxygen level in your body. Slow and deep breathing increases the level of oxygen in our blood. Oxygen is transported to the blood within the body through the respiratory system, and that is why it influences our oxygen level. Another given task is gratitude practice. Gratitude has many benefits. One of the benefits is gratitude opens the door to many relationships. It also improves the physical health. Gratitude improves the psychological health. It enhances the empathy and reduces aggression. Gratitude improves the self-esteem. Those who are grateful for the things, they sleep better than the others. Gratitude increases the mental strength also. But my focus here is on the psychological health. Gratitude improves psychological health. Gratitude reduces a multitude of toxic emotions ranging from envy and resentment to frustration and regret also. Many researchers has conducted multiple studies on the link between gratitude and well-being. Research confirmed that gratitude effectively increases happiness and reduces the depression. And when the depression reduces and you feel good, so ultimately anti-aging effects on the body increases. The chances of reversing of your age also increases a lot. The next most important task is making of to-do list. One of the most important reasons for keeping a to-do list is to make yourself organized. Organizing your task with a list can make everything much more manageable and make you feel grounded. Seeing a clear outline of your completed and uncompleted task will help you to feel organized and stay mentally focused. That ultimately relaxes your mind. By keeping such a list, you make sure that your tasks are written down all at the one place so you don't forget anything important, and by prioritizing tasks, you plan the order in which you'll do them so that you can tell what needs your immediate attention and what you can leave until later. कौन सी चीज़ पहले करना है, कौन सी चीज़ बाद में करना है, कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन सी चीज़ कम इंपॉर्टेंट है, उस तरह से उसको प्रायोरिटाइज करके आप लिस्ट बना सकते हैं। तो आपके दिमाग में जो भी चीज़ें चल रही हैं, सारी चीज़ें आप एक पेपर डाउन कर लीजिए, पेपर डाउन में उनको नंबर कर लीजिए, नंबरिंग कर लीजिए, उसके बाद प्रायोरिटी सेट कर लीजिए। तो आपकी सारी चीज़ दिमाग में जो थी वो पूरी पेपर पे आके ऑर्गेनाइज हो गई। अब आपका दिमाग एकदम फ्री है। Now your mind will be relaxed and you will feel comfortable. Stress is the major factor which we need to control in any manner, because stress अगर नहीं है तो आपकी एंटी एजिंग का जो रिजल्ट चाहिए है आपको, वो बहुत ही जल्दी आपको मिलेगा। तो अल्टीमेटली आपको स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट करना है। A new study showed that writing a to-do list before bed can ease some of these anxieties. Participants who wrote lists fell asleep on average 9 minutes more quickly than those asked to write about completed tasks. And those who went into more details were able to get asleep 15 minutes faster than the others. A to-do list is an orderly way to organize how to do the things and what to do. projects and plans that gets broken down into bit-sized chunks that are doable. A to-do list not only creates order but also gives you a strategy for getting things done. You need to prioritize the things, manage tasks effectively. You can see all the items at a glance and prioritize them. The act of writing it down in itself holds you accountable to get it done. Once you write it down, you have given it life, and now you are creating a plan to accomplish the goal you would like to see completed. So you are now accountable to you. You have made the to-do list at night. Now in the morning, you are rechecking the list, rescheduling the list, and organizing your time. If something comes up unexpectedly and that is important, then definitely you are going to finish it first. But since you have made the to-do list, so you are not going to forget the things what you already have planned. After completion of this thing, you can again have a look on the chart, on the page, on the thing in which you have written it down, and then you can again plan what next to be done. When you finish your task, then it is a great feeling to cross the items which already have completed. This gives you a back control. It also gives a positive productive feeling, and this alone is worth keeping list for. If you have not done this kind of thing, just try it. You will really feel very energetic and very accomplished. A to-do list help you to delegate the works also. If you see the list is too long, so you can find others to help you to get the things done, whether it is asking family members to do that by their hand or by hiring somebody for the job. You try it once. Making of to-do list also relieves the stress. As you see work getting done and that you are moving forward efficiently, it allows you to relax more. Work is getting done, and so you can take a well-deserved break also. So start focusing on making to-do list at the night and check it in the morning and re-plan the things which are left over.